quiet this past week, but new purchase contracts were down as buyer activity dropped due to the Easter holiday and spring break. It's Friday, April 5th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Homes for sale in Annapolis rose to 111. 24 homes are coming soon, only a slight rise over last week. 23 homes hit the market over the past week, also a slight rise. 11 went under contract, a drop week over week. 6 moved to pending, another fall. This report, 37 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 5 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Eastport at $6,200,000 in all cash. Rentals in Annapolis dropped again this past week to 33, leasing for $3,400 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 5th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.